Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen tuwar apan RDGP West Karbi Anglong pinan adim CM long ekisom Rongkhang constituency along BJP ki pangtang asai kideng West Karbi Anglong tumpreng taradobi R2 kikan hahu along Chiti Malan Keron Kardom ada berta long penili berta than bang thare harmony ben nan bertang ton pen RD tha Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen rong rup ka cheleng atowar keselam je pan RD ki piason si theklong Prime Minister Gramin Sadak Yojana PMGSOY atowar West Karbi Anglong along keselam je pan Chiti Krepli arni kolonga sidubi atowar pen khandajan ka cheleng atowar kolonga pen bumuatar situlijan pen phangtheng prak ka cheleng atowar keselam je pan Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM tuliram ronghang arideng pen long esom si towar paselam pontoy PMGSY atowar long ekisomalong CM achor kache teronpi MOS Rita kachipi abangphu longsodar sina BLCC amaiphu babusing timung lapen BJP Yuwa Morcha amaiphu Purno ronghang lapen PWD baithalangsu Division Engineer Dibujuti kulita atum chitongdun Rongkhang constituency MAC pen Rongkhang constituency along BJP ki pangtang asai kedeng aberta ladakar news along berta nang pale Birta kelonga tengke belopora alongsi songke pangtang amai patu MAC Horen Singh be kacetong dun amai along pangrum pet pen bang thongke bra trok abang pulang piatum BJP asong along chingbe dun laso angbong is belopora right wing pen bang kre kathom lapen left wing pen bang koira kathom abang pubang piatum methang asong phan api chiu tekang si BJP along chilang dun Malaria akaso aporalong pacheton dun si Chiti Krepli arni West Karbi Anglong Bethung Rengthama constituency ke parlo R2 ke kan arong tumpreng taradobi highway arong arataphan ake joy pen chitim alan ronsi kerap pajir Rongthom rongpli arong arataphan Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM tuliram ronghang arideng pen si chitim alan mate musuri akerap pajir alang le milira akaso pajung ji pulote chitim alan arlosi megjang nengi pusi rong asoraphan than pare Chiti Malan Keron along VDC Amaipu Ramson Rongpi Lems Amaipu Mongol Be Lapen Penan Songklemang Pubang Piatum Chitong Dun Nan malam support han bertamo dan poniksina
Come on, come on. Grand opening of Bazaar, India. A shopping mall consisting of various quality of gents wear, ladies wear, kids wear, and tremendous quality of household items, accessories, etc. Difu Main Market, Old LIC Building, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Looking for your needs? Visit Bazaar, India. Please step in Ishan Motors, a showroom cum sales point of Royal Enfield opposite of Langpi Dahangi Rural Bank, Dilaji Branch, Rongkhelan, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam. For more details, please contact 97748 73915, 7896 169021 or 957 988 008.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji kang tirtang kijun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecu ajam tu tharmit aduk thelua kreng chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Turkimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong, Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flux, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
Dihina mopi putat bertalong wang thulo. Karbi Cultural Society pen patir pi ponsi dipu taralang so jutang aklamalong chitini phai krepli arni hen up ahi kibiya berta nilitum kadnis asa hemalong pherangke pen berta nang pale. Karbi Cultural Society pen patir pi ponsi chitini phai kreket hom arni pen risu nimso atum inglong po anglong an hen up endamsi chitini phai krepli arni hakko pen karbi jutang along kedo hen up ahi kibi asai pado pon. Ada papor rangsina sarpo aphan milur ke kai pen pangcheng pon si angthun asai angdeng klempon henup along ahi kiti pon lake kurusar bajong tipensi arkli pon lo laso api puthot risunimso atum ingtat kecho asai padopon puthot henup kepleng aporom alun lake lun sepo sengtimung pen lunsi risunimso atum ahor hi along henup kethap pangcheng lo laso ahenup kethap along room apia ok sitame jok dun si risunim so atum ahor hi hini along hen up papleng lo
কার্বি সমাজে পৰম্পৰাগতভাৱে চলি অহা এই কাৰ্যসূচীটো হৈছে বিশেষকৈ হেণ্ডউবাহী কিবি। এই হেণ্ডউবাহী কিবি ইয়াৰ কথাটো হৈছে ডেকা চাংবিলাকে বছৰেকত গোটেই ডেকা গাভৰুবিলাকে জীৱন পাতি এটা সমবায় পদ্ধতিত তেওঁলোকে খেতি বাতি কৰিছিল আৰু খেতি শেষ হোৱাৰ পাছত তেওঁলোকে ডেকা গাভৰু চামে এই বাঁহ গজালিটো গোটাই কাৰ্বি ভাষাত কয় হেণ্ডউব আৰু সেই বাঁহ গজালি যিটো আচা সেইটো হৈছে হেণ্ডউব আহি। সেই হেণ্ডউব আহিটো হৈছে ডেকা চাংবিলাকৰ যেতিয়া ডেকা চাংবিলাকে তেওঁলোকৰ সময় শেষ হোৱাৰ পিছত তেওঁলোকে একেলগে এটা পূজা কৰিব। সেই পূজা কৰাৰ সময়ত তেওঁলোকৰ যিটো লাগতিয়াল যিটো শাক পাচলি এই হিচাপে তেওঁলোকে ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিছিল। আৰু বিশেষকৈ যদি ক'বলৈ যাওঁ যে কাৰ্বিৰ সমাজত প্ৰথম ধান উৎপত্তি যাক কাঠি কেটলাং বুলি কোৱা হয়।
Karbi Anglong Venture College Association pen kedam tang chiti ni phai krehini arni pen chengsi Karbi Anglong la pen West Karbi Anglong arlo Venture College home troxi atuma phan province light asai ke pachun cherek apothak ningduk chepak langsi Hamran Waisong College athan bang atum nithom lokethan kangton asai ke patupon abirta katnu channel aprangki Honda Group and Birta nang pali Nithom pardon ron lokethan thedat ajok bangso college along lokacharli risu ijang atumki Arnibang college wang sitami thanbang atumpen lokethan thedat ajok aning kipum alam the chepaklang Waisong college principal Dribojuti Hajura Kapen Chihu Chipu Hut Kaningje Atenke Jongsi Lanithom strict padodet aphi Sorkar pen thangnat alamawe Lipute Arni hot hepin kachesong padoji puta ningje
Yeah, we are observing this strike on that 5th September. We boycott this Research Day, and all Bhansar college associations all gathering there in the pool for boycotting this Research Days. And at that time, we have boycotting this and sit there, but there did not come any person higher authority from the council. That is Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. So after that, we all took decision that we will boycott the classes. We have given 7 days to discuss about this matter. We have some matter also there because first this is provincialized purpose, second is the salary purpose, because we are working here under the council, so they are lump sum they are providing to us, but that is not enough for us to run this college, run our family. Okay, so after that what happened? They did not come to me for discuss about that matter, and after that we all together discussed this that we will boycott the classes. So for 3 days, we have initially for 3 days. After that, we will take the indefinite this boycotting. That is the matter.
So to tell a student of your college how many?
Yeah, more than 250 students are available here in Waisong College.
Are they regular in coming to classes?
Yes, maximum regular.
How many staff altogether?
We have 16 staff, teaching staff.
16.
Non-teaching also there. So altogether more than 25 staff is there.
Jongsi Karbi Anglong Winter College Association Akimang Sorkar pen pachun piperek pulote KSA ahin penta Kachesong angdeng Deng Ponji Pusi KSA Hamlen Head Branch Achun Bang Bilishon Bepen Pachini
Lalu nanti tidak ada bagi nithom lo, la nithom ang bong kon sitani tum nithom bet pusitani ni tum kisung dopik lo, la suang bong, lison complete nengji pota complete pedalo, la pen student atum bang pusitami nili tum bang nak asom lo, la teachers bang pusitami la tum salary long ledet pua, aparman ajo la tum bang nili tum hanlu nang kan pedalo, lalu nang kan pedalo ajo ni nili tum bang kisung popik lo, la si arneng itu pusitami ajat pusitami la non Karbi Anglong nong, aleng thira cari pom aleng thitung pusitame juning ridun lot je la teacher atum han salary fee pen inghon pon pen nili tum aphan dona pathanji phan masophan pabor ibek thapu lasi nili sin pen juning ridun
tum ke la khonang bong class bank sitan tum ta bank nak son lok arni bank ta bank stan tum phong si dokur kur son la thima teacher tum class ardo nang duro idet ka ajo
sinon bang ke tum kacari tum bang ke kan hok thip piklo masih tum non abang ke Ladakh government atum apan ta si setuning ridu na bang ke tum Ladakh than bang atum apan sekame unan pen kabor ipen nili tum kacari atum sekame nili tum kacari long pameje pan athik pen tum kacari long je pan si ni tum bang tuning rikon lo lasi itum non ini pina bang bong jong sinang itum decision hum he pute teacher sa tum bang ke indefinite ban lason si dupo sini tum than lo setami nang tum decision humpon poteni tum bang continue class tu tulong ko lasina ni tum nonton ke project fansi tum hintan sini video lo atimani tum exam tanali lo lasin ni tum non nini sampai tamen an kadukson titik lo sinon Ladakh kacari bang tu do bos tame tum ke bang inene arni panahok ason si mandar lo lasinon ini pina bang bong government hintan sekame decision ki hundia fansi sini video
Ada berita bang lapan cikang ton ponila dumbe thakme kurwang tu